Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So today we're gonna be doing some water leaf and egusi soup. So family, it's summer, and during summer a lot of people plant water leaf because it's very scarce in the United States. But if you don't have water leaf, you could use spinach. Spinach is also a very good substitute for water leaf. So let's go right into the recipe. So fam, let's go ahead and put all our salted meat in our pot. You could use dry fish if you have smoked fish. I didn't have any, so I just used what I had handy. Go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of oil and let it fry for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. Once your sauteed meat is getting brown, go ahead and slice half an onion and put it in your pot. The next thing we're going to add is our ground melon seeds, equally known as egusi. I already soaked mine in water, so just add it and let it fry together with your meat. Allow it cook for about 25 minutes and stir occasionally. So fam, keep stirring. Oh, you see the lumps of egusi in the pot? The reason why I put the egusi in patches in the beginning was so it could form those little lumps of egusi, and it makes it look good in the food. So fam, the next thing we're going to be adding is our water leaf. I actually sliced mine already and kept in the refrigerator. So go ahead and put, depending on how much you want, you could put much more than I did, or you put less. It depends on how you like your soup to look like. And also, if you don't have water leaf, don't think you can make this soup, okay? Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Yeah, because you have spinach, okay? Spinach can actually help substitute for water leaf, so go ahead and use whatever you have handy. It's summer, family, and guess what? Oh my god, water leaf is around. So fam, let it cook for about 10 minutes until the water from the water leaf dries up. So fam, food is ready. You can go ahead and eat it with waterfufu, pounded yam, gari, or whatsoever you have handy. Thank you so much family for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and equally drop your comments below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.